Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. So in today's video, I will be teaching you how to play the songs and also teach you how to play the licks and fills to this song chord progressions. If you're interested, I recommend you watch the whole video so that you won't miss any part of it. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Please kindly join my groups. Okay, maybe you DM me on WhatsApp, there'll be a link that will come to you. Click on any of the link to take you direct to my group. So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the breakdown. So in this lesson, I'll be giving you two groups and teaching you all of the licks I played. Okay, but I want you to put this in mind that you can use any of these you're about to learn today in a different song. All you just need to understand is the progression and how you can use the bass lines to the chord progression. So now let me teach you how to play the first groove, then I'll teach you the licks on the chord progressions. Okay. So it goes like this. So remember this groove, you'll be applying it to the chord progression. So 1 1 5. To spice it up, you need to play the ghost note. Okay. So on the A string where you'll be playing the 5, you do a ghost note before you play the note. Then before you go to the 1, you can play 5 6 1 1 5. So if you're using a 4 string, you cannot play it here, but you can play the 5 6 1 here. Okay, that is for 4 string users. But if you're using a 5 string, 5 6 1 1 5. Now to the 4, so you apply this chord passing rule. So that is 1 2 3 4 4 1 4 4 1. Now to the 3 progression, 3 3 7 to the 6. Your E string gives you the 6. So that is 6 6 3 to the 2 2 6 to the 5. Da, da, da. So now let me break down the other side of the progression. Go. You start 5 6 1. So you start again. 5 6 1 1 to the 4, to the 4 sharp. I'm gonna give you licks to all of this. 3, from 3 be riding to the 6. So from the 3 you be going to the 6. So you do something like this. You can use this passing note. 3 2 1 7 6. Then to the 2 chord progression, you first play 2 flat 2, then 5 1 1 1, then your 5. So now let me teach you how to play the lick to the 3 progression. Go. Let's go. So that was the lick to the 3 chord progression. I'm going to teach you 2 ways to play it. So my way, I did it like this. Okay, so let me say the note, try and write them down. So you have your 6 5 3 2 1. Okay, then you play your 6 again and your 5. So yeah, so master this. Then you come to the 3 3 on the groove. Okay, so that is how I played it. You can also do it this way. You can also use the shape here instead of you coming here. So you do it this way. So it's the same note. Now you get it. So these are the 2 ways you can apply that lick on the 3. Either you go here or you just play it here. Now I played a lick on the 6. So now listen. Go. So when you're done with the 3 groove, then you go to the 6 where you'll be playing the lick. So write the notes down. 3 2 1 pentatonic, 6 5 3 2, then 6. So remember it is 3 2 1. Okay, so now let me play them all. Go to the 4, two, you end 1 to the 4, so now we are done with that. Left with the lick on the 4 sharp. So when you're on the 4, to the 4 sharp, so you play 3 2 1 6 5 3 2 1 6, then 5, then 3 4 4 sharp, then 6, then 2, then 5, then 1. Okay, before I continue, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, and also you can leave a comment if in case you do not understand anything. Okay, try to like the video and share this video to your friends. Please subscribe. Thank you. So now let's continue with the second groove. So let me just teach you that. Okay, so to just make the second groove easy, before I teach you this stuff, you can do it this way. Da, da, da. Just like that. So you're using the root and octave, then you bring in the middle note. So root, octave, then 5. You do that to all of the progression. It's very simple. To the 4, 4 4 1 4 4 1. You can do it to the 3. That is 3 3 7 to the 6 6 6 3 to the 2 to the 5. So that's it. But now let me break down the groove I play. So after I play this, I did a lick on the 4, which I'll teach you. So da 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 da. That is on the 1. It goes like this: 1 1. You can slide, or you can play it raw. 2 7 flat, 6 5 4 3 flat 3 1 7 flat 5 1. Then now you be going to the 4, and this is how you do it. So it goes like this: 1 5 1 again, your 5 flat, then 1 again, and 4. That is it. So now you'll be playing the lick on the 4 after you're done with the groove. This is a kind of minor 4, not a major 4. So if you want to play a major 4 like a lick, you can use the mode 4. That's a major 4, but doing it in a minor way so that it will blend with the song chord progression. Okay, so it goes like this: 4, then 4 3 flat, 2 1 7 flat, 6, then 5, lastly 4. So you're going to block it staccato way. Then now to the 3 progression, because from 4 you're going to the 3. That is on the 3 before you go to the 6. So I feel a very nice passing note to the 3, from the 4 to the 3. 4 5 6 to 3. 4 5 6 2 3. Then you play your 3 7. Then now you descend to the 6. Okay, you can just do 2 1 7 6, then 2, then 5. Let's go. Apply this 1 5 1 2 5 1, then to the 4. Now if you go into the 4 sharp, remember the first one which you did like this. Now I'll be teaching the second way to do it. So when you play 4, okay, 6 7 1 4 4 sharp, then to the 3 5 6 2 flat 2 3 5 6 2 flat 2 3 4 4 sharp, and 5, then 1. progression goes like this: 1 to the 7 flats, which I already showed you back there. Okay, which I've already showed you. So now from 1 to the 7 flats, I played a lick, and this is how you do it. One, 3, then you play 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 7, 7 flats, then to the 3, now to the 4 sharp again. That is it. So that is 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 5 flat. Then you continue, then 3, 3, 6, da da da, 2, 7 flats, then 5, da da da, 1. Then you can use the previous one which I taught you. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next live lesson. Bye for now.